tear through the cloudless night, just like the moon. Guides me, just not always in the right direction.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
Moon Knight, you've got a knack for tech.
Yeah, and I got friends to help.
Huh. You know, you should invest in a way to hide in the dark, like black clothes.
The moon is white, Stark. It shines in the night. So do I.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm used to fighting on the streets, not across all space and time.
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Khonshu never
Double
rests.
KO.
Love battle. Found one of our targets.
That's 3. Better stop that vehicle.
We can't let them pass. Thank you very much. Khonshu has his eye on you. I'm halting. Found one of our targets. Shrouded by moonlight. Rise and fall. Needed that, thanks. There, ahead. I found them. Myself get hit.
Better stop that vehicle. They've raided halfway. Stop them.
Back again? Great. Ready for some sweet, sweet vengeance. The moon is bright. Khonshu's hunt is about to begin.
There's still a chance to stop them.
Thank you very much. Revenge is sort of my specialty. Khonshu has his eye. I'm halting.
Looking sharp.
Khonshu has his eye on you.
Heads up. Back up.
A gift from Khonshu. Khonshu has his eye on you. The wounds are gone. Thanks.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or doesn't.
Found one of our targets. Khonshu has his eye on you.
Us against the world.
A gift from Khonshu. I am vengeance. More of them than us. This'll be fun. Khonshu, watch over me.
Better stop that vehicle.
We can't let them pass.
Now might be a good time to stop them.
I'm halting. Don't let him go another inch.
You are
Give
nothing.
him Khonshu. Watch over me.
I feel like I'm seeing the whole universe, just in this web.
A gift from Khonshu. Khonshu has his eye on you. Ready for some sweet, sweet vengeance. Targets. Thank you very much. New moon shadow. This was Khonshu's will. Khonshu has his eye on you.
Double KO!
Khonshu has his eye on you. Love battlefield medicine. A gift from Khonshu. Low on power. The moon is bright. Khonshu's hunt is about to begin.
Pulse charge! Fire!
Thank you very much.
He needs help.
Khonshu has his eye on
Co-op time!
Rise and
That's an
fall.
interest!
The moon haunts you.
Double KO! That's 3!
That's 3 for me. The wounds are gone. Thanks. Found one of our targets. Khonshu has his eye on you. Rise and fall. Hey, check this place out.
We're definitely outnumbered.
Gone from sight.
There's still a chance to stop
A
them!
gift from Khonshu. Needed that.
Double KO!
Back again.
They hit a
Great.
checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them.
Huh. A gift from Khonshu.
Pulse charge! That's what happens when you pick a fight with protons!
Khonshu has his eye on you.
firepower!
A gift from Khonshu. That cosmic amber. Khonshu has his eye on you. I'm
Here's how you
The moon is bright. Khonshu's hunt is about to begin. Almost too late. Get up,
It's
my
now or
friend.
never.
Ready for some
Stop
sweet,
them.
sweet vengeance.
Better stop that vehicle!
Thank you very much.
Sorry, no revivals here.
You are nothing!
Alright, that feels better. Ready for some sweet, sweet vengeance. Khonshu has his eye on you. The moon haunts you. Say goodnight.
Pulse charge! Fire!
Double KO! That's 3!
Should have kept hiding better.
always got it.
You got them all! Only 60 seconds left! That's an extra!
Khonshu has his eye on you. Shrouded by light.
Double KO!
Good use.
Tony's got it under control. Purple's not so funny now, is it?
Down to 30 seconds.
I heard it. Found one of our targets.
Hang in there.
Off you very much.
Double
Should have kept
KO!
hiding, Banner. I'm found one of our targets.
Final 10 seconds.
Gone from sight. Good night. Ready for some sweet, sweet vengeance.
Let's keep fighting until we have a winner. Double KO!
A gift from Khonshu.
That's 3.
I am the light in the darkness.
That guy's
I'm